Hello everyone, this is Nalabe Sangare. Today I've just done a quick video about a very simple look when you just want to rock a little bit of color but you really want to settle down. So I've been inspired by my dress, this gray situation, and by the earrings that I'm wearing. So as you can see, my eye is matching with my earring as well as my dress. So I will list the product that I've used, but basically it's mostly my go-to color for the transition, which is this orange blush, and then this liquid lipstick, perfect match with the dress that I've used on my lid. And then I love this eyeshadow, which is a lemon green that I've put on my lid. A very quick black liner and a pink highlight to recall this pink on my earring, and a very natural gloss, pink cheeks, and voila. And also I need to explain what happened to my hair. So I managed to dye them back to ginger, and I would also wanted something very quick and easy because I'm on a protective hairstyle. So basically just do a ponytail, keep your head wrap for you when you do your full makeup, and then just clip some weaves, which is what I've done, and just do a very fluffy chignon, as you can see, and it's like very chic as well as very casual. And don't forget your baby hair, because this makes a difference. So I hope you enjoyed it, and see you very soon. I almost forgot. The purpose was also for my look to rock with my glasses. So as you can see, this is the final look, and I'm gonna take now some selfies to just show off this nice look that I've done for today.